Smartphones aren't just about flashy apps and sleek interfaces. They also come with hidden menus, diagnostics tools, and secret testing modes that you can unlock with special dialer codes. Whether you're using a Samsung Galaxy, an iPhone, a Xiaomi phone, or a Realme device, there are USSD and MMI codes that give you access to deep system information, hardware testing features, and carrier-specific settings. In this guide, we've compiled the largest, most up-to-date collection of smartphone secret codes in 2025, categorized by brand and use case. Magnifying glass tilted left, what are secret smartphone codes? Secret smartphone codes, also known as USSD, unstructured supplementary service data, or MMI, man-machine interface codes, are special combinations of symbols and numbers entered into your phone dialer. They are not visible in the standard menu and are often used by developers, repair technicians, mobile network engineers, advanced users. These codes can help access hidden menus, test hardware, speaker, display, sensor, view detailed phone/battery/network info, enable/disable advanced features. Warning, some codes can perform factory resets or change important settings. Use them with caution. White heavy checkmark universal smartphone codes work on most Android and iPhones. Code function ##06 displays IMEI number. #4636 #**phone, battery, usage, and Wi-Fi info. #7780 #**factory data reset, erases user data. #8351 #**enable voice call logging. #8350 #**disable voice call logging. #1472365 #**GPS test. #232339 wireless LAN test. These codes may not work on all phones due to software restrictions or regional lockouts. Red Apple iPhone secret codes. Unlike Android, Apple doesn't support USSD for diagnostics, but you can access some hidden functions via these codes. Code function 3001 #12345 field test mode, signal strength, cell tower info. ##06 display IMEI number. *#67 call forwarding status when busy. *#61 call forwarding status if unanswered. *#21 check all diversion settings. *#31 hide your caller ID. Pushpin note: these codes open system-level call/network settings and do not offer hardware diagnostics like Android. Mobile phone Samsung secret codes 1 UI 6/Android 14. Samsung phones offer one of the most powerful hidden menus for diagnostics. Code function #0 general test mode, display, speaker, vibration, etc. #0228 battery status and ADC readings. #0011 service mode, network and signal strength. #1234 firmware version. #32489 encryption and security info. #12580 HW and SW version. #080 USB settings, media transfer/debug mode. *2663 touchscreen firmware. *9090 diagnostic configuration. *7465625 check SIM-lock status. Red Circle Xiaomi/Redmi/Poco MIUI 1415. Code function #6484 full hardware test mode QC test. #4636 ***battery/Wi-Fi/phone info. hashtag 8255, hashtag Gtalk service monitor, hashtag 232338, hashtag Wi-Fi MAC address, hashtag 1234, hashtag MIUI build info, hashtag 1111, hashtag FTA software version, hashtag 2222, hashtag FTA hardware version. Yellow circle Realme/Oppo ColorOS. Code function. Hashtag 3646633, hashtag engineer mode. MediaTek SoC only. Hashtag 808, hashtag hardware test mode. Hashtag 888, hashtag hardware version and QR code. Hashtag 6776, hashtag software version. Hashtag 1234, hashtag firmware info. Pushpin note. Many codes may not work in newer ColorOS 14 Plus due to UI restrictions. Green circle Vivo secret codes. Code function. Hashtag 558, hashtag hardware test menu. Hashtag 4838, hashtag testing menu. Hashtag 7777, hashtag factory reset. Hashtag 06, hashtag IMEI number. Blue circle OnePlus. Oxygen OS 14 Plus. Code function. Hashtag 808, hashtag hardware diagnostics. Hashtag 1234, hashtag software version. Hashtag 801, hashtag engineering mode. ADB/root only. Hashtag 06, hashtag IMEI. Crystal ball Huawei/Honor. Code function. Hashtag 2846579, hashtag project menu, network, updates. Hashtag 1472365, hashtag GPS test. Hashtag 232339, hashtag Wi-Fi test. Hashtag 06, hashtag IMEI. Bluebook Motorola, Android One. Code function. Hashtag 2486, hashtag Catist hardware test. Hashtag 4636, hashtag usage and battery info. Hashtag 7764726 Verizon menu, carrier specific. Small Blue Diamond Nokia, Android One series. Code function. Hashtag 4636, hashtag testing info. Hashtag 06, hashtag IMEI number. Hashtag 7780, hashtag factory reset.